Welcome back to Beaumont's Home Kitchen. Today I'm making some salad, and I'm also going to do an emulsified dressing, a balsamic dressing. So I'll show you the whole process in that. So I'm going to do kind of like a tomato, cucumber, and grape salad. It's going to chop some cucumber, chop the tomatoes in half. I always like the colored cherry tomatoes. They're kind of fun. Fresh tomatoes from my garden, but I grew tomatoes this year for deer, so they ate them all. Kind of a shame. Hopefully I'll get some next year. Some grapes. Same idea, just chop the grapes in half. Yeah, I definitely like a little sweetness in my salad. It's very, very nice. Chop some onion for the salad. That was almost a half an onion. Toss that in there. Toss the salad a little. Let's get everything mixed up. That was balsamic vinegar. Quarter cup. Put 1 clove of garlic, or 100, whatever you like. A little bit of thyme. Tablespoon of lemon juice. Touch of sugar, pepper, some salt. We can adjust the seasoning after, so just a little bit. Italian seasoning. Now we're going to emulsify the dressing. Dijon mustard. Almost a tablespoon. We're going to slowly add the oil. That was half a cup of oil. And that's pretty much how you make a emulsified dressing. Kind of all mixed up with the oil. Oh yes, we have to taste first. Okay. Pretty good. Touch of salt, pepper. Super simple. That's how you make your own salad dressing from scratch. Not too much because you don't want it swimming. Add a little. Mix up your salad a bit. A little bit more in. Yes, and that's how easy it is to make an emulsified dressing in a beautiful salad. Tomato, cucumber, grapes, onion. Give our salad a try. On my salad dressing, I always like a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Let's give it a try. A little bit of everything in there. Cucumber and grape salad, balsamic dressing. And you can serve this with meat or whatever you want. It's an awesome, healthy salad. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Love ya, and we'll see you next time. See you soon.